Yumin Escometa. Shane Yumin lives in St. Teresa, San Antonio, Quezon. She was born on August 19, 2011. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Prince Vicente Escometa and Katrina Salazar Cometa. Once again, Shane Yumin Escometa, together with Von Marcos B. Agno. Let's give them a round of applause. Our